don't love my hair today. This is a trend. I think I just need a cut. The sides look good. Yeah. Hello, we're back today. Trying another concealer, so excited. Today we're going to try the infamous Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I feel like everybody talks about the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but not the concealer, so this makes me a little bit nervous. And I do actually have to go work and go to a friend's for dinner tonight, so I'm hoping that this looks good and I don't have to redo all of my skincare, my expensive skincare. I was looking at the price on that primer that I like, that new Smashbox primer, and I think it's like $42 for that too, which is just insane, but it is really good. So yeah, so I wanted to try this out. Let's see what it says before we break into the packaging. So it is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Summary: Maybelline Fit Me Concealer conceals redness, flaws, and blemishes to achieve a more flawless skin complexion. Breathable, oil-free, and won't clog pores. Details: provides natural-looking coverage that instantly eliminates dark circles, we have those, and imperfections. Matches skin tones to deliver a more even complexion with lasting wear. Features: fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, I don't know what that word is, and I don't know how to say it, sorry. Dermatologist tested, I feel like they all say that. Allergy tested, suitable for sensitive skin. Let's see, how to use. Step 1, dot the liquid concealer onto the imperfections or under the eyes to conceal the look of dark circles. Step 2, pat the concealer with a finger or brush to blend. Well, we love a brush, so we're into that. All right, so let's see, this is the packaging. And let's just go ahead and bust it open. I got shade 22 Wheat. I'm still really not great at picking my shade. I think you saw that from my last video of the Juvia's Place. This is the packaging. It's sleek, it's cute, it's got the little black top on it. It has the shade right here, so it's 22 Wheat. Should we just go ahead and plop it on the skin and see what happens? All right, so here's the doe foot. It's small, but it's got like a, can you see it? Like a curved edge that kind of holds the, it doesn't really smell like anything, so. I like that this packaging is so sleek. I mean, not that concealer packages are big, but I don't know, I just like the packaging. So, okay, let's just dot it on the face and see how it goes. So we're gonna do 1, 2. This seems a little light. Let's swatch it. Oh, it does, yeah, it seems a little light on my skin. I could have gone a little bit darker, but that is okay. We're gonna try it out anyway. So let's just go ahead and blend this out like we normally would with our Morphe brush. Oh yeah, this is light. So yeah, so tonight I'm going over to my really good friend Samantha's house. She's going to cook dinner. They are actually getting married in Cabo in October, and I'm actually officiating the wedding. So we're gonna talk about kind of the game plan of what's going on. This is my first time officiating a wedding. I'm not sure why they wanted me to do it. I mean, she's one of my best friends, so I get that part, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm that great of a public speaker. Like, I have to come up with a speech and do all this. So hopefully after tonight, I feel a little bit more comfortable with what the game plan's gonna be. But I don't know, it should be good. So anyway, okay, so let's get back to like what we're actually doing here. I know I haven't had any coffee. I probably needed some before this, but I do seem a little wound up. So, okay, let's just look and see. So it seems like a very light coverage, which you know I like, but I don't know if it's doing much. I might go in with just a little bit more. So here's the done side, undone side. I'm gonna try to go in with just a tad more and see if I can like cover just a little bit of this inner darkness right here. And really get it up into the lash line. Because I do like a not a full coverage, like cakey ass concealer. So I do appreciate that, but I just wish it would do just a little bit more for me. Okay, so that seems a little bit better. It seems to be nice on the skin thus far. So it was so funny with the Juvia's Place review. I thought that the match wasn't too bad until I started editing the footage, and in front of the lights, it like was bad. So it'll be interesting to see how bad this is. It does look a little light for me, but yeah. We're gonna go ahead and just bring it around a little bit. Just blend it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we will see what the completed thing looks like. All right, so here's the completed look. What do you guys think? Again, I don't think it's a great shade match, so I would need to work on that if I like the formula, but we'll focus on the formula for now. I think it looks good on initial application. Like, it's not too heavy. I think it's doing something. It's not like blowing my absolute mind, but I kind of like it. And I think it's only on Ulta's website, it was $7, so that's good. So yeah, I think I'm digging it thus far. Let me try to even it out a little bit, because it does look very light under my eyes. I don't know why I always go for like a lighter concealer. I should go for a darker one, but anyway, so this is the final look on initial application. I'll let you guys look at it. What do you guys think? I need to pluck my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna go out into the world and do some stuff, and we'll see how I like it. I might have to come back before I have to go to work and go to this dinner and just tell you that I hated it and I took it off. So we'll see, but I'll be back in just a little bit. All right, we are back, and the final verdict is in. I've had it on for a few hours. So it's okay, okay? It's not bad by any means, but it's just not what I'm looking for. Like, I'm looking for something to beat the Morphe 2 concealer. This is still bomb, so I need something that is gonna be better than that, and this is just not it. Like, it blends pretty well and it stays on pretty well, but like, it's still a little bit like makeup-y. You can still see it a little bit underneath my eyes, and I don't like that. I like an unclockable look. So that is my final verdict on this. It's not bad. It's only $7, $7.50, something like that. So for the value, if you're looking for, but like this one I think is only 12. The Morphe one's only 12. So like, I feel like I would just go with this one, honestly. So anyway, that is my review on the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. If you need any real estate help in the Colorado or Denver area, I can help you with buying, selling, or leasing apartments downtown. So all my contact information will be down below. Thank you so much again for joining me on this one, and I will check you on my next one. Bye.